The world of automation is on the cusp of a revolution. Imagine machines that operate with unparalleled precision and stability, even in the most challenging environments. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality Norah Pendulum Robotics is building, one swing at a time. From Kolkata, India, a new era of automation is dawning. Norah Pendulum Robotics is poised to disrupt industries with its groundbreaking inverted pendulum technology. This innovative approach to automation offers solutions previously thought impossible. The company's unique equipment promises to redefine efficiency and performance across various sectors. Prepare to witness a seismic shift in how we approach automation. This technology isn't just about incremental improvement. It's about a fundamental leap forward. Imagine trains navigating treacherous terrain with unwavering stability, cars achieving unprecedented fuel efficiency, and spacecraft maneuvering with unmatched precision. Norah Pendulum Robotics is not just building machines, it's building the future. At the heart of this revolution is Rohan Sarker, a visionary in intelligent automation and robotics. Sarker founded Norah Pendulum Robotics to transform industries through innovative automation solutions. His expertise laid the foundation for a company poised to redefine automation. Sarker's journey began in academia, honing his skills in robotics. This knowledge ignited the spark for Norah Pendulum Robotics. He recognized the potential of inverted pendulum technology. Sarker assembled a talented team to bring his vision to life. The core of Norah Pendulum Robotics innovation lies in its mastery of inverted pendulum technology. This ingenious approach utilizes dynamic equilibrium for unparalleled stability and control. Imagine a pendulum balanced upright, defying gravity with precision. This is the essence of Norah's revolutionary equipment. It maintains stability under multiple gravity wave conditions. The potential applications of Norah Pendulum Robotics technology are vast and span across diverse industries. From revolutionizing railway systems to enhancing automotive performance and pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering, the possibilities are truly limitless. The company's innovative equipment promises to reshape industries and unlock new levels of efficiency and performance. In the railway sector, the technology can be used to develop advanced stabilization systems for trains, enabling them to navigate challenging terrain with unprecedented stability. This could significantly improve safety and efficiency in rail transportation, particularly in areas prone to earthquakes or other geological instabilities. The implications for high-speed rail travel are particularly exciting. In the automotive industry, the technology can be applied to enhance vehicle stability and control, leading to improved fuel efficiency and handling. Imagine cars that can effortlessly navigate sharp turns and maintain stability even at high speeds, all while minimizing energy consumption. This could revolutionize the automotive landscape. Railway advancements. Norah Pendulum Robotics is revolutionizing railway transport with groundbreaking stabilization technology. Imagine trains gliding smoothly over uneven tracks, unaffected by bumps and vibrations. This is the future Norah is building. Perfect balance on challenging terrain, enhancing comfort and reducing wear. Significant cost savings for operators, mitigating external disturbances. Profound implications for high-speed rail. Higher speeds without compromising safety, dramatically reducing travel times, enjoying a smooth and comfortable ride. Section 6. Driving the Future. Automotive Innovations. The automotive industry is ripe for disruption, and Norah Pendulum Robotics is at the forefront of this transformation. The company's innovative technology promises to redefine vehicle stability and control, paving the way for safer, more efficient, and more responsive automobiles. Imagine cars that can anticipate and react to changing road conditions with unparalleled precision. By integrating inverted pendulum principles into vehicle suspension systems, Norah's technology can dramatically improve handling and responsiveness. This allows cars to navigate sharp turns and sudden maneuvers with greater stability, enhancing driver safety and control. The technology's ability to adapt to varying road conditions further enhances its value in automotive applications. The benefits extend beyond improved handling. By optimizing vehicle stability, Norah's technology can also contribute to increased fuel efficiency. Reduced vibrations and smoother operation translate to lower energy consumption, making cars more environmentally friendly and cost-effective to operate. This is a win-win for both drivers and the environment. Section 7. Reaching for the stars, aerospace applications. The potential applications of Norah Pendulum Robotics technology extend beyond terrestrial boundaries, reaching into the realm of aerospace engineering. Imagine spacecraft maneuvering with unprecedented precision, robotic arms performing delicate tasks in zero gravity, and satellites maintaining perfect stability in orbit. This is the future Norah is helping to create. The company's inverted pendulum technology can be applied to develop advanced stabilization systems for spacecraft, enabling them to maintain precise orientation and control during complex maneuvers. This is crucial for missions that require delicate adjustments and precise positioning, such as docking with other spacecraft or deploying scientific instruments. The technology's ability to operate under multiple gravity wave conditions makes it particularly well suited for aerospace applications. This allows spacecraft to maintain stability even in the face of fluctuating gravitational forces, ensuring the success of critical missions. The potential for this technology to revolutionize space exploration is truly vast. Section 8. Funding the future of automation. Norah Pendulum Robotics is seeking investors to fuel its next phase of growth and bring its revolutionary technology to the world. The company's initial funding allowed it to develop and refine its core technology, demonstrating its potential to transform various industries. Now, with a clear vision for the future, Norah is seeking additional investment to scale its operations and expand its reach. The company's current revenue stream demonstrates the market's appetite for its innovative solutions. With a growing list of clients and partners, Norah Pendulum Robotics is poised for exponential growth. The company's financial projections indicate a significant return on investment for those who choose to join them on this journey. The funding required for this next phase will be used to expand the company's research and development capabilities, scale up production, and build strategic partnerships. This investment will enable Norah Pendulum Robotics to fully realize its potential and bring its transformative technology to a global market. Section 9. The potential for unprecedented growth. Investing in Norah Pendulum. Robotics is not just about supporting a promising startup, it's about investing in the future of automation. The company's technology has the potential to revolutionize industries, creating new markets and unlocking unprecedented economic opportunities. This is a chance to be part of something truly transformative. The potential benefits of investing in Norah Pendulum Robotics are substantial. The company's innovative technology is disrupting traditional industries, creating new avenues for growth and expansion. This creates a unique opportunity for investors to capitalize on a rapidly evolving market. The company's strong leadership team, led by the visionary Rohan Sarker, provides a solid foundation for success. Sarker's expertise and dedication, combined with the company's talented team of engineers and researchers, ensure that Norah Pendulum Robotics is well positioned to achieve its ambitious goals. Section 10. A pendulum poised for success. Norah Pendulum Robotics stands at the cusp of a new era in automation. With its groundbreaking technology, strong leadership, and clear vision for the future, the company is poised for unprecedented success. This is an opportunity to invest in a company that is not just building machines, but building the future. The pendulum of innovation is swinging, and Norah Pendulum Robotics is leading the charge. The company's innovative technology promises to reshape industries and unlock new levels of efficiency and performance. This is a chance to be part of a revolution in automation. Join Norah Pendulum Robotics on this exciting journey and be part of a company that is transforming the world of automation, one swing at a time. The future of automation is here, and it's powered by the pendulum sway.